G'day guys, we're back here on our canal front refurb renovation project. It is an enormous project. There has been so much manpower put into this job over the past 4 to 5 weeks and a massive amount of hand demolition. So I think we're up to our 6th or 7th 12 cubic metre bin. You'll see from the footage inside, this house is incredibly solid. The outside and the inside are all brick walls, so and all double brick walls as well. So there's been a lot of jackhammering, a lot of manual labour, moving all the rubble around, loading the bins up, but the team are doing a great job. We've just been on site this morning, there's been 6 of us, and massive shout out to the guys from Canard's Lift and Shift. So we've got a lot of their equipment on site today, we've got some of their trolleys. We've just put into position through the hole behind me a beam that's about 550, 580 odd kilos. So the next part, you'll see all the props. We've got a lot of temporary props set up at the moment. We've been putting in beam by beam with the steel because as we go, we've obviously got to make sure that we've fully supported the first floor above, and this job is a tiled roof. So the boys have been doing a great job getting the steel work installed, but now we're up to the big boys. So we're actually removing this entire back wall of the house. So 11 metres of solid double brickwork. We're putting in 2 huge steel beams, 3 big posts, and that is all going to be opened up to 2 massive bifolding doors. So the transformation of this place is absolutely amazing, but we've just had to manually move. Being an existing home, and we're obviously restricted with access and things, we can't get a crane in. So we've just had to manually move, like I said, this 550, 580 odd kilo beam from the front footpath. We set it up on a couple of trolleys. We were able to move it through the front yard, through the rear section of this home, through the family room, out onto this patio area here, a bit of manoeuvring to get it backwards and forwards, feed it through this hole, and now it's sitting on the ground in position. So the boys are now going to come in with a concrete saw. They're going to cut out the brickwork perfectly to where the beam needs to go. We've got a heap of temporary props set up because the outside skin of this home is brickwork, even on the level above. So we've got to support all of that brickwork, all the back wall of the house, all the tiled roof, all the floor structure, all the framing, everything, while we knock this wall out and install this new beam. At the same time, the boys have also been cracking along and they've got the new foundations in for the connection of the existing house to the carport and the extension for the media room. So much happening on this site. The transformation is going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to keep you updated as this one progresses.